Today we are having a very brief press kind of interaction with regard to the violent incident that happened on 2nd October 2024. And in that incident, so many people have been injured and 4 people have died. In this incident, the police has responded very seriously to bring law and order back to this important hill district headquarters, Ukhrul. And in this, the civil police, the MR, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and so many others, including the leaders of the 2 villages, have cooperated. And now we are seeing normalcy from the evening of 2nd October onwards till now. On that day of 2nd October, the Ukhrul police station, which is right here, was looted by the agitated mob, and 20 weapons were taken away. With the help of the various security forces in the search effort, and also with the cooperation of the civil society organizations and public leaders, we have been able to recover 80% of the looted weapons. This is something unprecedented and noteworthy and praiseworthy for all those who have played a very positive role to bring back normalcy as well as to ensure law and order in this hill district. And I want to mention the headman Hunpun village and all village authorities for the cooperation, Chairman Hunpun Executive Council and his colleagues, HKL President and his colleagues, Hunpun Shunaulong, social workers Somatai Saija, Khayi Rulang, Yalui Chingkai, Madam Soso Saija, Agnes Saija, Commander 10th Sector, Assam Rifles, with his officers and personnel. They have been working behind the scenes with great cooperations as well as on the road with their heavy presence. Ad hoc Commandant BSF with his officers and personnel. And also our Reverend Jaklei Kaping, Pastor, Phungyo Baptist Church, who have also played a very positive role in bringing back this looted weapons. Regarding those remaining few weapons that are left, we'll be continuing our great effort, and shortly in the past coming days, it will surely be back in the possession of the police. So I want to appeal to the public as well as to the leaders that let us cooperate together, let us take peace as a very precious commodity, because without peace we cannot do anything normally. Everything is paralyzed. So let us give importance to peace and peaceful dialogue and consultation with each other instead of violent means. Now the Commander, Brigadier Sandeep, will also say just a few words.
Well, gentlemen, on behalf of all the security forces, I just want to say that the unfortunate incident of 2nd of October, I must say it was brought under control with minimal use of force, rather almost no use of force. And since then, jointly the Assam Rifles, police and the BSF, we have ensured that no more violent incident takes place. There is a great role which has been played by all the CSOs and all the headmen of the villages in the last 4 days, due to which we can see relative normalcy coming into being, and I'm very sure the restrictions, the curfew and all will be lifted very soon. The joint efforts are undergoing. We are meeting all the village authorities in both the villages, and we have also recommended a joint working group to settle the long-lasting issue. Till then, I just appeal on behalf of all of us, and the appeal should go to all the villagers, that we are in a de-escalation phase and we should keep de-escalating the situation and come to a peaceful talks. The joint efforts, both in terms of security, we assure that both the villages, every citizen, everyone is totally secure. There is no threat to life or property to anyone. Thank you.